So now I want to add a gradient. And I could just go to the gradient tool and go ahead and put it on the background, but I want to do it on a different layer. And a good way to do that is just to go to create a new adjustment layer or a new layer. And you'll see the little boxes, the little checkerboards mean that there's nothing on it, but there's a layer there. So then I'm going to go to the gradient tool. And first I'm going to just try to put something crazy on there. And so this is um, a radial tool that creates this kind of gradient. So it's kind of crazy, and this is not the one I'm going to use, but I just want to show you what you can do by adding another layer. I'm going to add another adjustment layer and go to one of the ones that I do like. Let's try the pastels. And I think I'm going to try reflecting, the reflection layer. Okay. And you remember you can go from different directions and things, but I kind of like these colors together. That's pretty decent, depending upon what you want. So now what you can do though is you can see it here, but if you really want to see it large, just turn off the eyeball on the top layer and you can see what you had before. And that way you can go back and forth. You could do this, you could add a few layers and then go back and delete all the ones you don't want without starting the whole project over again. Anyway, I'm going to delete this crazy layer here. And now I have two layers. And I'm going to save this, now that I've applied the gradient, as final project and leave it as a PSD because I have more than one layer. Now I need a different one. I didn't like it, so I'm just going to overwrite this one. So I have final project saved and I've applied a gradient.